didn't get any. Casino. Texas Hold'em. On the other side by Lucas Bay over there, a lot of destroyed houses and stuff on that side. I don't know how the hurricane came in, what side hit, but still a lot of places are destroyed.
Like Oyster Bay side came in that way.
Oh, it did? Okay.
I mean, it hit the whole freaking island. I mean, hit Phillipsburg, it hit the airport. Remember we?
Yep.
We're in Coal Bay now. We left
Coal Bay.
Bay. We're in Coal Bay.
Coal Bay. Okay, welcome to Coal Bay. Yeah, Irma was a little biatch.
He's angry.
2017. Still a lot of stuff that has been repaired. Oyster Bay, totally destroyed. They haven't fixed the docks at all, which I'm shocked.
I'm shocked.
They have a lot of what do you want to call them, boats and stuff over there.
I'm just shocked because it's Oyster Bay. It's a
pretty popular. It's a bit
wealthy area.
Pretty popular area. It's called money. People aren't going to spend it. Hello. You matches on Friday during rush hour?
Well, we were in it. Yes, whatever day we came back from Friars, we got stuck in it.
Yep, yesterday. Fire Bay was fun. It was a lot of bars. If you want to party, this is kind of a place to stay.
Yep. Simpson Bay and Cold. Yep.
Yeah. Kind of stay in this area and you can kind of walk around.
Yep. Loud too at night from the bars, the music.
Yep. Too bad I don't have a cigar. See some trash down there. Welcome, laundry and dry cleaning. Alright.
What?
Sign is laundry and dry cleaning.
Adopt a kitten.
What?
Adopt a kitten.
Oh, yes.
I think I go straight. I think I go straight up.
Yep. Coors Light, good old cheap beer if you want it, right there.
Right? I go straight.
Yeah, you go straight, yeah. It's the Dutch, the French. They have 2 different hospitals for that.
2 different airports.
What?
2 different governments.
Only 2 governments. It's too bad they can't get together and fix it down up. Sometimes people just don't care, I guess, right? Called curb appeal. Tear down all. What's that tunnel through? NASCAR tunnel through. What was that one? Darlington. Go through Darlington. It's like tear down all those old houses, get rid of those those cars. You're the mayor. I'm paying for it. Put all your junk in the backyard, or I'm going to charge your ass. Curb appeal. Nice town. Then the abandoned golf course makes it into an RV park. Tell you what, man, it's nice and slow here. It is what it is. Can't tell. There's like a whatever that is over there. I mean, it's business there. And then you got your brand new cars over there.
Friendly,
Yep. It is the.
License plates.
Yep. It's the front of the line that needs people to pick up their garbage. Need someone who has some money to come in here and redevelop some of those homes.
What's the holdup, people? We're not moving.
Swellen the sweater
Push
girl.
that. Just turn it out a little bit. Out. A little more. A little more. Okay, perfect.
Just go around and just go on the wrong side of the road. Say, hey, what I'm gonna do.
I don't like it when I can't see in front of me.
It's our first lesbian wedding, and there was a wedding that we were talking to African American ladies that were in from Wisconsin, Milwaukee, to have a wedding where they're at. So, okay, but they always say when it rains on your wedding, that means you can be wealthy. So. Having the time of our lives.
Let's make me a Twitter account.
We'll go on. You'll go to Twitter, your email, and then you.
I don't have an email. It's my work or my home.
Hey, use a home. That's fine.
Okay. Yeah, I can't use work.
No, then you find yourself a good thumbnail you want to
What's
have.
that mean?
A thumbnail for your calling. A thumbnail you put up there, like I have my thumbnail for me and Jesse Ventura for my couple podcast. That's my thumbnail. So you find something you like, and then you use your thumbnail. So you can follow all the National Hockey Association and tweet at them and have a wealth of knowledge. Piss them on during the game that they're not taking shots. You know.
I can't believe TNT had remote broadcasters.
Well, that's cheap. That's cheap. If they,
I mean, it's not like they got 10 games going on yesterday. They had, I don't know if it was yesterday. I shouldn't say that. I think it was yesterday.
that's wrong.
They had 3 games yesterday, but they all weren't on TNT.
Well,
So-
look at the one idiot. They got headsets on, the guys. So we asked questions instead of having sweater girl walk up and ask them. Was that team?
That means that there wasn't a girl in the
Yeah,
stand.
yeah.
There wasn't an Emily.
Right. It's dumb. You're gonna have that. You gotta have that. The playoffs. I didn't know they were remote. So they got.
I didn't either.
They got ripped, huh?
According to this article, yeah.
That's hilarious. Oh well. You plan, God laughs. You know, they thought they were. You gotta have that. Same for everything.
I wish this guy wouldn't get so close to my ass. So if I start rolling, I don't like that orange or that rust, whatever the hell.
Oh, that's a rust. That's rust.
It's too orange for me.
The yellow's got to be good, but I like that blue over there. That blue.
Yeah. This one?
Yeah, that blue over there. That's not bad.
This one?
Yep. Right there, it's very nice.
If I had to choose the two yellow, I would do that one
Oh, the second one.
versus this one.
Yeah.
The far one.
Right. right, guys. Sweater girl, she's out.